Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the ear pads on your Anker headphones, and these ones here are the SoundCore Q30. However, the process is going to work for the Q35s as well. Now I have already replaced the left hand side, but I'm going to show you how to replace the right hand side in this video. So I did order the replacement ear pads for your Anker SoundCore Q30 from Amazon, and this is how they came in a Ziploc bag with this tool which we can use to remove the ear pad on the right. But before we do that, here it is. This is how it looks on the back. You have some foam over here, and this one which I got is the mesh over here. This is not the leather one because I'm pretty sure the leather is going to eventually peel off. This is the mesh fabric which I got, and it is pretty soft as well. So to remove the old ear pad from your Anker headphones, all you have to do is put this tool over here in this gap and then give it a little push towards the outside. A credit card also works. I have this flat tool over here which I prefer to use, and then just move it around and you will hear popping sounds. So there it is. I'm trying to move it over there. There it is, the first popping sound. And then I do recommend that once you hear the first popping sound, put this tool in over here so that that clip does not snap back into place. And that is all what we need to do. Just move this flathead around in this space over here and give it a little push towards the outside. You will hear some noises, popping noises, and that is the clips getting off or the clips being removed from where they are held in place. Well, that did not go as planned and was not pretty smooth, but here it is. This is the old ear pad. Now you might rip off this little piece of foam over here, so make sure you retain this. Now, in case you're wondering how do you line up this piece of foam, so this here is the right ear pad, and you will see this little circle over here, and you have a cutout for this same circle over here as well. So that is how you line up this piece of foam in your Anker SoundCore Q30 and Q35 headphones while you're doing the ear pad replacement. And then to put on the new ear pad, all you have to do is take it, and this here is R. So right now R is pointing towards the bottom, and then line up these cutouts with these notches on your ear pads, and then all you have to do is press it into place. You are going to hear some snaps. There it is. We heard a snap, and just go ahead and press it all around to make sure that all the clips have gone into the cutouts on these replacement ear pads. And there it is. That is all there is to changing the ear pads on your Anker Q30 and Q35 headphones. And of course, the quality here of these replacement mesh ear pads is pretty good. You can see that the foam is coming back into place, and the best thing I like about these ones is that these are mesh material as opposed to the fake leather on the original ones, which eventually did peel off, and you can see there is some cloth over here. But me personally, I think these mesh ones should last longer.